Well, hello.
We got a small crew today.
Just me and you, just like it should be.
That was nice.
Tried to hold his hand. He wasn't having it. Okay, what is this? Came to us from
Finland.
Espoo, Finland. Hey, Braille Skateboarding. Sorry, I'm trying to not yell. I read your guys'
But
comments.
he did put an exclamation point, so.
It's true. Oh no, my name is Vieka. V-double-A with two little things above it. R-A-L-A. Varala. Varala. Good luck pronouncing that, he even said. My name is Vika Varala. Good luck pronouncing that. And I'm a music producer. You guys can please follow Vika Varala on all social media platforms. I go by the name Vix Beats.
Vix Beats.
Yes.
And that's also my YouTube channel, name and website, vixbeats.com. V-E-I-X-X beats.com.
Why are you talking with an accent?
I've been watching your videos and I love how creative you and the people sending all of the stuff are. Here you have a MPC Studio drum pad and I thought it would be dope to see you try to skate it. What is an MPC Studio drum pad?
You didn't read the last part.
Have fun. Vix Beats.
There you go.
What in the world is this? Okay, here's my question. So they said that if you turn it on, it lights up, but it doesn't like work. This is like a very expensive piece of equipment and it's broken or something? Is that what happened?
I guess so.
I love how we're not supposed to know anything about it until we open it, and we already know everything about it, and it's opened.
He said it on the note in invisible ink.
So we're gonna drill holes in this? 2 bolts or 4 bolts?
7.
7 bolts. Here's
2.
my next question, Fetty. Where do you want the trucks to go? I think we go this way.
Yeah.
All right, let's build it. Let's build your house.
Make sure you don't miss a beat.
The comments, they say, stop yelling in the videos. RIP headphone users. What? Fetty purposely left his old trucks here because his #1 complaint in all of the videos is that the trucks are bad. So he's like, oh, hey, we got these trucks. Hey, no big deal.
Yeah, I don't know where they came from.
Is this painful? Painful like the iPad or not as painful?
Not as painful.
What? Yes, kids, I will build your house. Let your parents know. It's like too greasy. Here, tighten that. Dang, you're fine. Why am I slightly scared this is gonna light on fire? I feel like this is a monster flip-off situation. Here, while I drill these holes, you find the hardware. Got him.
The sad thing is that it's probably not painful for us, but it's definitely painful for some beat makers.
You guys smell that?
What does it smell like?
Burning formaldehyde. Gabe goes straight. All right.
Jeez.
1-800-BUILD-YOUR-HOUSE. We're real professionals. This might be actually the best constructed skate everything we've ever
I know, the
constructed.
truck actually looks straight.
Look at that.
Dude, wow.
It's like pinched into the Beatmaker. If this doesn't just look cool, I don't know what does look cool.
An ice cube.
We should just
Being
make a
cool.
whole video. We'll just call it Fetty Jokes. And it'll just be him saying things like that in that kind of like monotone. An ice cube.
To
If
a YouTube
this
near you.
fits on there perfectly.
Dubbed
Wow.
the king.
Oh, dude.
Dude.
How sick is that?
That is, I think that might be one of the most solid ones ever.
Level 16. Here's the thing, it's funny, like when we first started making the Skate Everything videos, we were like, oh my gosh, we put trucks on this thing. What will happen? And now we're like, we already know what will happen.
Monster
Monster
flips.
flip.
What will happen? Will it break? Is it solid? Can we roll on it?
This thing is solid.
You think so? Oh yeah. Oh yeah, baby. Wow. Wow, you can actually like gain speed. It's like a...
Wow.
Whoa! Kickflip off. Or should we play SK8? Snipe! SK8. You ready? What? First try! In the comments below, everybody wants to know where you got this hoodie, so do a shove it.
All right.
Yes! You know what is great about that? He tried to like steeze it out. What were you thinking with the steeze factor?
Well, if you jump higher, you know, you can see the board land and then think where you want to place your feet.
Steeze breeze, please. Are we doing full park?
No.
Might be out of tricks, to be honest.
This is dope.
I'm going nollie shove.
No, sure, yeah.
I'm gonna actually do it rolling.
How
Rolling,
is it,
rolling,
though?
rolling. You keep those doggies rolling. Right.
Well, Aaron,
What?
you're getting too loud.
Sorry. Wait, I got a song for you. You ready?
That was very impressive.
Tell me that wasn't sick.
Wow. I just gotta think, what would Uzi Walker do?
Oh!
Still good.
Cool.
I love that he's going for the monster flip right out of the gate.
Whoa!
Okay, too much speed. What am I, Doug? Why? Every time the same... Sorry.
Hey, whoa.
Why? Every time the same thing occurs to me.
Oh!
Wow, so good, so good. Well played.
Forget SK8. Let's just play beat. B-E-A-T.
Okay. Whoa! Oh, wow. I'm so excited, yet so quiet at the same time.
Did you think it can be taken down the 5?
Yeah.
To kickflip it, you need to activate B for Braille.
No, I'm just gonna erase that. I'm gonna land this in Infetti in this game of beat.
Oh!
Mother
That was
of
too
Mary.
loud. Too loud.
Yeah, sorry. Just what are you trying?
To lose?
Ow!
Can't beat him, join him.
Fetties always do like some sort of weird twist. This one right here is for Skrillex. Oh! Nollie double inward heel flip, laser heel. This one right here is for Katy Perry. Okay, if I land this right here, Katy Perry will perform at my birthday party. Oh, Katy Perry! Yes!
Too loud. Oh, that hurts so bad.
That really wore me out. I'm lightheaded. Well, it was a good game. You played valiantly well.
It is amazing
Just keep going until you land it.
how much. Oh.
No, Fetty. Fetty.
Contain the darkness within.
Contain the dark side.
Oh. You got it, Fetty. What's the shirt today? In memory of when I cared.
Let me give you skate support real fast, okay? This is the practice step. You just stand with one foot off and put your other foot on. Just like that. Now, just watch. Fetty, watch. It's for your own benefit. Skateboarding Made Simple Volume 8 coming soon. How to skate a drum pad.
In memory of when I cared. Oh!
That was a legit tray flip. We almost got so excited that Gabe almost raised his voice above 3 decibels.
Oh my god. If you can tray flip a spoon, you can tray flip this.
It's okay. I only landed it twice in a row. No big deal.
Not trying to do a monster flip. I was trying to listen to what Troy had to say before I popped.
Troy, what'd you have to say?
This thing is extremely durable.
This thing is extremely durable.
You're not sure if he said durable or doable.
And doable. You got this, Fetty.
And don't-able.
Braille go skydiving, leave it in the comments below. Gabe Cruz, thank you.
Nope.
Like nothing can go wrong. Oh. One more spindle off of there, Fetty. Ow! This. Okay, that's it. If you land it right here, I will give you $1. I love how he always needs the shade. Okay, if you land it right here, I will give you the Braille house. The rent is due on the 5th of every month.
Fetty is about that close to throwing it.
I know. Are some beat makers gonna go like, oh, I was just searching on the internet how to beat make, and then I found this, and now I skateboard?
That would be cool.
That's the idea of this video.
Dr.
So
Dre.
will it work? If Dr. Dre, please come to the Braille house, Dr. Dre. He thinks he's like a little.
Oh wait.
I don't even know what that was.
That was a 360 inward hard heel flip. He thinks he's like a.
That was a tray flip.
Literally went like this. This better go on every Instagram, and everyone better argue what it is. And please tag at Braille Skate. Do not tag at Fetty Potter. He's not at Braille Skate did the trick. Just kidding. Fetty Potter did it.
What? How did you get your shoe off that fast?
Now we will do our ceremonial, take it down the 3 and the 5 and call it a video. Thanks, Fetty.
What the heck? Sorry, Fetty.
Fetty, you're on the floor whether you're skating or not.
This guy, who does he think he is? Daniel literally would have died. He was sitting right here, and then he was like, I think it's gonna hit me, and then it went, wham!
You're so close to Fetty. You didn't even flinch.
Now you know what it's like to be Troy. Would you rather be there? Would you rather be Troy?
There.
Cameraman Fetty.
I'm Troy.
Troy is like really going for this.
This is possible.
Dude. The greatest fall in Braille skateboarding history. Thank you, Troy.
Fetty. You getting any good ones?
No, I keep missing.
Troy, you got this.
Just need to commit. Here we go.
And this is just the 3-stair. We still have to do the 5-stair.
Cameraman Aaron.
It's like extra slippery riding.
I knew it.
So weird. I don't know what's happening.
You're not landing. Mostly, yeah.
That's why he's up on a quarter pipe.
Fetty's taking this very seriously.
Thanks for that hole into the office, Troy.
Yay, Jesus.
That was incredible. Well
Check out
played.
that photo.
Hashtag Hawaii.
You're getting a little too loud, Aaron.
Dude, Fetty's got the shot.
Yeah?
All right, Fetty, first try.
This girl is on fire.
Yes.
I don't know how this is gonna work.
Yeah. He's been waiting all day for that.
It's like no respect. You just put a hole in the wood. Is he getting nervous? You don't think he's got it?
I don't think
You know? Not at all, huh?
Ow.
What just happened? Should we just end this before you actually hurt yourself on that?
3 more tries.
In memory of when I cared is what it sure says, I guess. Maybe put the board on the bottom and then you jump off and land on the board and we go, yay.
Oh, I don't mind.
I mean, I gotta have Well, that's a wrap. Thanks a lot for watching. Please subscribe. We have a lot of other videos. We have tons of playlists. There's tons of things going on. And now Fetty will do some sort of no slide situation. Wow, in a shocking turn of events, Fetty landed a no slide combination. Let's give it up for him, people. So how did you guys enjoy the quieter video? Is the audio better? Does it make your ears feel better? Leave it in the comments below. We want to make the best possible content for you because we love you. Thank you, 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 thank you. Back there on the couch. Thank you so much. Please subscribe if you're not already subscribed. Check out this whole other playlist right here where there's lots of other videos that we had a ton of fun making. It's right there. Learn to skateboard. The whole point of all of these videos is that you guys learn to skateboard. You go, wow, that looks fun. You guys can get skateboards and learn to skateboard videos at brailleskateboarding.com. I'll see you there in the hair, like a scare, you fair.
Let's go over there.
Got him!